stop eating my butt. He's eating my butt. The Raymond just...
Oh no.
Oh no.
Hindi ka namin ako-communicate.
This is our biggest ant.
What do you call that?
I don't know. I don't know what kind.
Where did you get that?
Daddy got it. It's
Yearly ba? Pag nag-yearly ka,
near the lip.
Near the leaf?
Yeah. I can boop his butt.
6 times a year.
Oh no.
Baka makagat ako niyan.
Okay. I touched the butt only.
You touch that?
The abdomen.
Oh, bakit? Oh, I need to...
I want to touch it.
Just because you want to?
I wonder what are those red things. They look a bit like red. When he always climbs right, he always falls down and hit his butt. Then I can hear a sound. Like dying in Minecraft.
Wash the hands.
Ami!
Hanggang sa pamilya natin, biglasan talaga yan. Biglasan talaga. Di ba si Mimi dancer din? Pinapinitin ko si Mimi
Wow, but that can.
Can I have it? Just let me some
Oh. Hey, wait.
Oh, very fast.
Hey.
Mamanay mo na nagkakapi na kayo kasi nagkakapi.
Ito. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Can I go on Hot Wheels?
It's spinning around. Ow.
Hihirapan kami yan ako yun dyan.
Pinihiro. Ayaw nga mag-hug.
Yung sabi niya.
Ay.
Dito kay Daddy. Dito kay Daddy. Dito sa side nila. Yan. Smile.
Tapos pati damit niya.
1, 2, 3, smile. One more, last one. 1, 2, 3, smile.
I take video.
Just be careful.
It's a bag.
Really?
It's not honor, right? The new one.
Huh?
Honor.
Opo.
The new one.
Opo.
The
Kailan?
is that is so nice.
Oh.
So, hands up with the
Oh, don't stop my phone. Don't stop my phone. This is new.
Parang manipis na pag-ibig.
This thing is soft.
Sa kanila yung video.
I swear. You should.
Hearts for me only.
Ito kaya yun.
Ayun.
Sabi niya.
Just wait. Just wait.
This is going to take
Kaya
forever.
baka naman. Hindi, baka mahal na pagka binalik na.
Parang ano na,
Oo.
So the other way.
Video and send it to YouTube.
Huh?
I'm gonna make a video and send it to
Pero
YouTube.
din yun.
Yeah. Hey.
Nakasaya mo dyan. Ibang mali.
Wait, I'm gonna whisper something.
Ano ba?
What?
Disturb when it falls, right? Can?
I'll try.
1 hour. 1 hour later. 1 hour later. 1 hour later. 1 hour.
Siyempre,
1 hour. Wait. 1.
pumunta, Pilipinas, before.
Wait, are these all the... Where are the other Jacob parts? Are they...
Pwede gamitin mo yung ano mo kuya?
Okay.
Wait, there are other...
Help me to. I
Ay,
wait.
wait lang.
Help. Quit it, please. I need to remove it.
Ito kuya,
Play it. Come on.
Wait,
Ito,
we're
pagka
trying to
ano?
use this tripod.
pag gagamitin mo yung auto stabilizer niya, when you want to use the auto stabilizer, you have to unlock.
Alright.
Unlock it means you can move like this. Okay? If you want it locked, then you cannot move.
Only I don't
Alright.
Okay? If you want to auto, tawag ka? Kasi ito yung power niya kuya.
Alright.
I show you.
Alright, go, 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 go.
Okay, let me first. Your turn.
You wait there first.
Your turn.
Siyempre, mga libre muna.
Ay.
Pero wala na libre dito.
Ay, may bago ngayong ano, sa botanic garden ng Jacob.
Alright. Justin, sir.
No, 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 no.
Go, Justin.
Pangalan ng water park na gagawa.
Oh. 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 Alright.
My turn.
Water park.
Para NBS.
Parang sa garden. Pero mas mahal siya sa...
Wait, it's my turn, it's my turn, it's my turn. Justin, wait, it's my turn.
I'm listening that.
I mean, you're turning to. You're holding two, you're holding two. Careful.
Doon tayo sa ano, yung laging parang nakakaba.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay, baka natin dito doon.
Wait, do it properly. Wait, Justin, wait, it's my turn.
Yung parang may mga ano.
Wait, I don't know.
Sabi,
Monday.
Alright.
Rainforest.
Justin, your turn.
Rainforest, Asia. Mommy, I want to go to rainforest, Asia, or Bali.
Alright, your turn if you want.
eh, hindi yata yung isip kasi.
I'm in. Only one carrying.
Are you gonna join or right?
Because I was
Wait,
so
fighters.
I was so sad you alone there. Wait, don't put that there.
Alright. Jen after Justin, then you. After Justin, then it's your turn.
Then your turn.
You can't just leave like that. Alright, bye.
Shout again. Justin the Dragon.
Don't hit the camera.
What do you want to play?
Hey, careful.
Watermelon. Why does the grass block look like this? It's supposed to look like. I'm going to make a character. Wait, only you can make a character. Only you can make an iron golem. I'll teach you. First, get a head. Then you need some same parts. You have to get all these like tricks. Wait. I want this one. Okay. Then one. Then like this.
Hannah, all these toys please, okay?
What's this?
Okay?
Jana.
I'll give you a character. It's Jana's character.
Diamonds. I got diamonds. Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Yeah. Mushroom time.
Okay, good na yun.
Okay. I'm gonna build an iron golem. How can I'm gonna build a table. I'm gonna build a table.
It's
You know that is
Dirt.
Do you know? I got emerald. That is the sheep.
So I guess these are magnetic. They can connect.
Yeah. The pink one.
Enable. How is this an iron golem?
No, I'll change it.
You need iron.
I don't mind. What's this? You have to mine.
Where's wood?
Wood.
Get the wood.
Find that.
Yeah, looks realistic.
I give this first. I'm gonna mine it. Wow, a question block.
Let me try one.
I have it.
It's a lucky block.
Okay. You can share it. We have to pretend you get it. Whoa, golden! Wait, I'll try. Golden! Gold! It's gold!
This is a command block.
We are rich!
Again, Johan.
Huh?
Who wants to play Jumanji?
Oh.
Jumanji,
Ano gusto ng Jumanji?
Hey.
Hey guys, Minecraft. I got Minecraft block.
Okay, Johan, before you play another toy. Johan, wait.
Table.
Oh.
These are magnetic blocks.
Johan,
Like that. What's this? Gonna make a bed.
It's iron. Iron ore.
Or iron. Oh yeah. What about bed? A big bed. Okay, I'll ask you these blocks. How about this one?
That's lapis.
Lapis.
Lapis
I'm
lazuli.
gonna make a bed here.
That's copper.
Excuse me, can I borrow that please?
IDK.
Anything.
Ay,
Wait, this is a beehive. Hello,
May see?
already done.
oh yeah, nasa beehive.
Oh, this is beehive. I need stairs. I need to get the Minecraft. Minecraft bees. Look guys, I made it something. Hey, this is my bee. Can I use something else here? Ah, that's mine.
Oh.
I just want to store.
Ay,
Pwede pa naman yun. Sweet pa naman.
What?
this is my robot dog.
Again, I want to see the blood.
Justine, go inside. Please.
Let's go.